Welcome once again to N.yahaya online math class. Today we are going to start discussing on quadratic expression. So quadratic expression is a topic of JSS3, while quadratic equation is a topic of SS1 and SS2. But today we are going to look at quadratic expression. So we need to understand what is quadratic expression. Quadratic expression is an expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, meaning ax squared plus bx plus c. This is what we call a quadratic expression, in which the highest power of x is 2. The highest power, when you see the highest power is 2, so we call it quadratic expression. But in a situation whereby you see equal to 0 or equal to any number, it is not a quadratic expression. It is now a quadratic equation. But now we are talking of quadratic expression, meaning without the equal sign, where a, b, and c are numerals, meaning they are numbers. And then the highest power, which is 2, can neither be negative nor fraction, meaning here will not be negative and then will not be fraction. So today we are going to look at how to factorize quadratic expression, meaning factorization of quadratic expression. So quadratic expression is in 4 different forms, meaning we have the one in which they are all positive. If you take a look at this one, they are all positive. And then we have another one that they are all, it is negative here, and then the second sign is positive. We have another one that is the first sign is positive and the second sign is negative. And then we have another one that they are all negative. But today we are going to look at only 2 different forms. The one that are all positive and the one that is, the first one is negative and the second sign is positive. So to solve this, it's very simple. So first of all, open your 2 brackets. The terms are in x, so we put x here, we put x here. The next thing is to think of, you take a look at what the number that is here, and then the number that is also here. We are going to think of 2 numbers, that if we multiply them, it will give us 8. If we add, it will give us 6. And then the numbers are 2 and 4, because 2 times 4 will be 8. 2 plus 4 will be 6. So in a situation whereby they are all positive, positive here, so all the numbers will be carrying positive, meaning plus 2 plus 4. If here is, they are all positive, so the answer here plus 2 and then plus 4. That is the answer to the first one. That is the factorization of the first one. The second one, we open our 2 brackets as well. The terms are in A now, so we put A here, A here. So we are also, okay, look at this, it's 10, or plus 10, and then here is minus 7. So we are going to think of 2 numbers that if we multiply, we get 10. If we add, we get 7. Just think of the 2 numbers. I think the numbers are 2 and 5. So since the numbers are 2 and 5, so if you find out that one of them, the first one is negative and the second one is positive, all of them will be negative. The numbers, all of them will be negative. If here is negative and here is positive, mind you, if here is negative, here is positive, if you get the 2 numbers, so all of the numbers will be negative, meaning minus 2 here, minus 2 here, and minus 5. So you put them here minus 2 and then minus 5. So these are your numbers. And then we have another one of the same form, and you can give it a try. That is what I have for you for today. Don't forget, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.